Hi, I'm Doreen Schwegler, medical scientist and naturopath with over 35 years working in health and wellness. Today, I'd like to share something that could completely transform how you think about wellness. If you've been relying on supplements that just treat or mask symptoms, it may be time to shift your approach. Let me introduce you to Stem Cell Nutrition and Cerule, a company that's leading the way with breakthrough in natural stem cell support. It's backed by more than 20 years of research, and their flagship product, Stem Cell Enhance Ultra, helps your body renew itself naturally from the inside out. So, what exactly is Stem Cell Ultra? It's a 100% natural supplement made from freshwater blue-green algae, spirulina, and seaweed, but it's not your average green powder. Thanks to patented science and clinical testing, this formula mobilizes your own adult stem cells from the bone marrow of your bloodstream, and then they travel to the tissues and organs that need repair. So that means better recovery, more energy, reduced inflammation, and a boost in your body's natural repair system. So, how it works: the AFA extract in stem cell contains key compounds that trigger the release of the stem cells from your bone marrow. The mesenchyme, derived from spirulina, supports communication between cells and balances inflammation. And fucoidan from brown seaweed enhances both immune support and stem cell activity. And all of this is supported by peer-reviewed clinical studies. It's not hype, it's science. So let's talk results. People taking Stem Cell Enhance Ultra often report more sustained energy, improved mental clarity, relief from arthritis and joint discomfort, better sleep, and overall recovery. And it's not just testimonials. Cerule's commitment to science includes patents, third-party testing, and a fully controlled supply chain from this beautiful lake in America to the capsule. And their product range also includes joint support for arthritis and joints. That's got boswellia and eggshell membrane and terry chard extract. I'll send you some information if you like. It's got plasma flow to improve circulation, so things like chilblains, elevated calcium score tests, or any sort of cardiovascular poor circulation. And they have a healthy inflammation balance product too. So together, these products offer a synergistic approach to wellness that supports your body at a cellular level. So I love Cerule because it's natural, it's clinically validated, and it empowers your body to do what it's designed to do: repair and renew itself. So if you're ready to just stop treating symptoms and start working with your body's own intelligence, Stem Enhance Ultra is a great place to start. So you can learn more by clicking through the link on the bio. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose. If you're interested in helping others and you find it helps you, it's also an option of an additional income stream. So reach out if you would like more information, and thank you so much for watching.